Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to cook vegetable rice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite rice, like basmati or jasmine, and about 2 cups of mixed vegetables such as carrots, peas, and bell peppers. Remember to rinse your rice well to remove excess starch, ensuring a fluffy texture. Then, chop your vegetables into small, bite-sized pieces for quick and even cooking. Now, let's get that rice cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add your rinsed rice and stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it smells slightly nutty. Next, pour in 1 3/4 cups of water or vegetable broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. While your rice is simmering, it's time to prepare the vegetables. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Add your chopped vegetables and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want them to be tender crisp, not mushy. Season them generously with salt, black pepper, and any other spices you love, like a pinch of turmeric or cumin for extra flavor. After the rice has finished cooking, let it rest, covered, for 5 minutes off the heat. This allows the steam to redistribute, making it even fluffier. Gently fluff the rice with a fork, then carefully fold in your beautifully sautéed vegetables. For a final touch, garnish with some fresh herbs like chopped cilantro or parsley. Serve your flavorful vegetable rice warm and enjoy this simple, wholesome dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.